So I'm going to do this style here. Keep the box braids in the back, detangle them and put it to the side. So I did the bottom row. Let me show you on this row. You just pull it through. And the hair that I took out, I have a pile right here, already pre-sectioned for your girl. Some old braiding hair from another style. Found this in my closet. Hopefully it's enough, because I do not be trying to buy any hair. Alright, so time to take these braids out, but not completely yet. It's been 5 weeks since I installed my braids. Actually 5 weeks in 1 day that I installed my braids. So I'm going to do this style right here. Keep the box braids in the back, and then I'm going to braid the top of my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I remove them. So you got one of many ways. The first one is to just snip it right where your hair ends. So snip, have this here. Because this is human hair, you can reuse it. Detangle them and put it to the side. And I'm actually going to comb out some of the hair, because so I actually will reuse this hair. And then I'll just unravel the rest of the braid. And you see, that's it. Detangled. So I do have like some build up right here. Okay, that's it. So yeah, that's how I remove mine, as well as reuse the human hair. And my hair is actually still clean from me washing it. That's just like a little build up. But yeah. So now let me finish taking out the rest of the top, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, I've taken out all of the top, but I'm refreshing up the back. So let me show you what I've done in the back. So you see here, I've tightened up 1 row so far, crocheted to tighten it, and then refresh the curls. Curls was looking like this. Now they're defined again like this. So I did the bottom row. Let me show you on this row. This is what I used to style my braids with originally, so I'm going back in with the lock and jam. Spray on the roots. I got my latch hook here. I go from underneath. And just pull it through. That's one. I'm gonna do it again. Do it however many you need as far as your new growth goes. Okay, so I finished this row up. Now we're going to go ahead and define the curls. Go ahead and separate them. So it look like that. Braid this first just to make it easier when I go to detangle it. And I detangle each curl one by one, starting at the bottom. Then I go in with my mousse. I didn't use this the first time I did my braids. I didn't put anything on them. But I'm not keeping this style in for too much longer, so just doing this to define the curls. Go in and add this to each curl. Now they're defined. Then you're left with something like this. See that? Nice and defined. See the difference? Alright, completely done with the back. The back look good. So I'm ready to take a break. Alright, I'm back. And I sound like I have a frog in my throat because it's early as. Okay. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this. I gotta make sure I do it right. So the first 4 braids, they're gonna come down and swoop over. And then everything else is gonna go swoop in here. Okay. I'm using this on my roots. Going on top where my shears bump go. Little in the front. Okay, so that's what I'm working with. And the hair that I took out, I have a pile right here. Already pre-sectioned for your girl. So I just take one and add it in. Take that curly piece, pull it out, keep braiding down, and then I add another curly piece. Okay, all these coming over. We getting somewhere, we getting somewhere. Now for the lemonade effect, these are gonna come down this way. Ooh, this one was a little struggle, but it should get easier as I go back. I don't know why, I just felt like I wasn't gripping the hair, but I just kept going and it ended up latching on. And then I'm over here working with some old braiding hair from another style. Hopefully I have enough. Found this in my closet because I did not be trying to buy any hair. I don't know, it's like when you get sent so much hair, you get spoiled. And I'm spoiled. And I pray this is enough. Feel like we might have enough. Okay, so I'm on my last braid. Luckily I had enough hair. And out of what I took out, I have this much left. But a lot of my braids I just chopped off and left the curly hair attached. So I would just say this for another time. Hallelujah. I'm just gonna do this little bit here. Call it a day. And here's the finished look. It looks so good. 2001. Check your girl out. Let me get a hand clap. Had to take me a little break anyway, so now I have about 3 videos I need to edit, so I'm gonna keep this in until I finish editing all 3 of those videos. Look at the hair. Still look really good. A1 status. I'm doing a little shedding though, a little more than usual. since I washed it, but probably if I was to do this on someone else's hair, I would add like some nail glue or something. Then again, if you add nail glue, you won't be able to reuse it how I reused them. Alright, so I already started taking out my hair in the front and I'm ready to work my way to the back, but because I crocheted and tightened up the back, I know I'm going to get questions on how I remove it, so I'm just going to show you guys because the questions are coming, which I love it. We love a good teaching moment, right? So when did I do my hair? Girl, I don't know, it's probably like a week and a half. So this is what the back is looking like. So like some of you can actually tell where I interlocked it. So I'm gonna show you how I remove it. Do the same thing because I'm saving my hair. See, my hair stops about right here. And I'm just putting this over to the side for later use. Then just unravel. And you see that? Here's my little curly piece. Put that over to the side here. And then I'm just going to unravel. Okay, so that's all of the braided hair. And see that? Look like it's into two pieces, and that's fine. Alright, that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.